So this is a great bit of kit I've had for many years now, which is an LED LENSER X21 torch. It's got a floating magnetic charger. I've just broken it. It's all right, I'll plug that back in, but that always charges it. So it's always ready to go. You can tell how much charge you've got left. So you can press that button and it lights up, which is really cool. A multi-function system that you can have sort of strobing, SOS, lower power, and then high power. Well, high power is multi-function as well, I think, so you can toggle that switch. It's got a load of extreme crew LED LENSER diodes. Obviously, I'm not looking directly at it, the camera is. I'll give you some idea of the luminous intensity. Wow, that's so bright, even with my eyes shut, I can feel it, the heat off it as well. Cracking. It's got a really big battery in it that's based on the same sort of lithium polymer tech that was in a lot of EV cars. So it can last many hours on low power. On high power, obviously less so, but it's really powerful, and it's a great bit of kit. And you can focus the beam by moving that out. That's it. And this little rubber cap stops it rolling off. What a good idea, because otherwise it'd be a real pain, wouldn't it? You think a brown torch is great, but it's not so much fun when it rolls off the bonnet of your car or whatever if you're trying to do a bit of work. And I have used it for doing work and stuff, and it's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to go and fire it off. Oh, that wasn't even on the powerfulest one. Crikey. That is impressive. Right, now I'll put it on the long throw. It's really quite misty. I think someone's having a bonfire somewhere. Crikey. Oh yeah, that is powerful. See the beams. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Gives off some heat, mind. Well, if you made it to the end, thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed the video of this incredible torch. Great bit of kit, yeah, thanks for tuning in.